is it possible to turbocharge the Bitcoin surrogate MicroStrategy? I have been talking about this guy for months now, right? Michael Saylor, who's the CEO and founder of MicroStrategy, which I consider to be a genius, really. Not because I love Bitcoin so much. I have Bitcoin, but not to his degree. This guy is mortgaging his company and just buying Bitcoin, period. No ifs and buts about it. But now the powers to be have figured out, well, Bitcoin is not wild enough. I mean, Bitcoin moves like, okay, last time when Bitcoin went from 30,000 to 75,000, MicroStrategy went from 200 to 2,000. Is that enough action for you guys? It's mind-numbing, the moves that this stock takes. So the stock symbol is MSTR, Mary, Sam, Tom, Robert. And that's Michael Saylor with his laser eyes, right? Bitcoin eyes. Leverage. Now the powers to be are bringing out leveraged ETFs on top of MicroStrategy, as if MicroStrategy is not wild enough or, moves wildly, right? Hundreds of points each direction. It just follows Bitcoin, because he just borrowed another, like, I think 700 million, bought more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is the largest holder of public company, largest holder of Bitcoin as a public company, right? I think they're up to 260,000 Bitcoin with an average cost of about 34,000. So if Bitcoin cracks and goes to 34,000, MicroStrategy, that is, I think 160 today, 165, will probably get halved easily. Or if Bitcoin goes to 110, 120, like I'm thinking it's going to do on the next leg up, MicroStrategy will easily double. So you can buy a MicroStrategy as a Bitcoin surrogate if you don't want to deal with Bitcoin. But now there are two, not one, but two leveraged ETFs on MicroStrategy. One symbol is MSTX, Mary, Sam, Tom, X-ray. The other one is Mary, Sam, Tom, under. So MSTX and MSTU, the powers to be decided. MicroStrategy, we need to turbocharge MicroStrategy. I'm thinking MicroStrategy is already so turbocharged. Why do we need this? Well, this is total pure gambling now. American investors appear to be regaining their appetite for risk. That's another sign of market top, as new exchange-traded funds, ETFs, giving a leveraged position to MicroStrategy stock are booming. No kidding. MSTX, which launched in August, literally like a month ago, now has 357.6 million in assets under management. The fund aims to give investors daily leveraged investment results of 1.75 times, or 175% of the daily percentage change in MicroStrategy stock. So if MicroStrategy moves 1 point, this thing, MSTX, is going to move 1.75 points. Okay. Now, they just brought one last month called MSTU, another ETF. This is even more leveraged. This is 2x, 200%. So if MicroStrategy goes up 1, this goes up 2. And it already received 80 million in assets. So what do you guys think? Did we need to turbocharge MSTR, MicroStrategy? There are many other ways you can do that. You can go on to buy the actual Bitcoin itself on an exchange and put it on your cold wallet. The other thing you can do is you can obviously do MicroStrategy as a Bitcoin surrogate, but you can also do IBIT, which is the BlackRock Bitcoin Trust ETF, which has gotten billions in dollars, right? So there are all these tools now. So if you really want to send it to the moon, yeah, go into MST or go into MSTX. When MicroStrategy is moving from 160 to 300, those underlying shares in those stocks will not only double, but it'll go 200%. So good luck. I'm looking at them. I really am. I mean, if they have options, I'm pretty sure. So, I mean, options, more leverage on top of leverage. Look, if you do catch a leg, I think they're worthwhile things to look at. But when they're going sideways, I don't think there is.